Hello and welcome to this tutorial for multichrome nail polish. This is the end result and it looks incredible. Looks kind of like a Beatles iridescent back, shiny and changes color based on light. So the way that I achieved this was actually using regular nail polish and a UV Gel TopCoat. So I will show you how we do this. Here I'm showing just a regular black nail polish, and this is a UV top coat, and then the chrome powder that I used, which will be linked in the description. Alright, so starting with clean, fresh nails, I won't go through how I basically scrub them and everything, but just starting to apply black nail polish. Again, this is just Sally Hansen's, just regular nail polish, and the reason I do this is because it comes off easier and it's actually easier for me to apply it. So the whole application is just a lot easier to maintain and change out when I'm ready to switch off, where I can just peel off the nails. So just applying this pretty liberally, making sure that I get all the edges, and then trying to remember to do the edge of the nail. I'm sorry, that pinky is just a little bit off camera. And wipe away anything that's spilling over onto your nail bed. Alright, so after that dries, and you want to make sure that it's thoroughly dry, I'm going to go ahead and put on the UV top coat. This is just an inexpensive one from Amazon. And you're just going to apply that, making sure that you do cap off that edge. And nothing fancy here, just putting it over that black color, making sure that you have it fully covered. And also not spilling over the edge, so if it does, just wipe that off with a nail. Alright, and then you're going to bake that for the instruction amount, which is a minute in this case. And your nails should be pretty glossy at this point. So here I'm applying the chrome powder. A little bit goes a long way, and it does usually come with the application eyeshadow brush. So I'm just dipping that into the rim, the cap, and just putting on a little bit of powder and then burnishing that on. Try to be careful here to not get too much over the edges because it's kind of messy to clean up. And I've done both hands, but only showed you really one. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and immediately put the top coat on again. And this just locks in that chrome powder so that it doesn't come off. Doing it the same way we did it before, just going all the way up to the edge, making sure you cap off that edge. And bake it again for another minute. That is pretty much all she wrote. You are pretty much done and you have amazing looking nails. I do usually go over everything with an alcohol pad just to clean up the excess powder that gets around the cuticle area. And I should mention you can do this also with a black UV coat if you don't want to use regular nail polish, if you want it to last longer. It is hard to capture the beauty of this on camera, but I did take my nails outside to show you some different lighting. And the one downside here is that you will want to look at these constantly. But as you can see, they shift from a purple to a green to a gold, depending on the lighting. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.